Hello guys, I got another update for you where you can be making some extra cash online. I'm going to be showing you how to recharge, how to withdraw into your wallet from this platform, and how you can make extra money by using your affiliate link. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. What is up guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Auburn Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you're hearing my voice for the very first time, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update. Quickly, I'm not going to take much of your time. Let's go into the video 1, 2. Let's go. All right, so quickly let me show you how to use this platform. But first of all, before we go any further, you will need to sign up an account on this platform. So I'm leaving a link in the description of this video. So you can go down below, click on it, and you're going to get to a registration page. Use your number, put in your password, your security password, and you put in the verification code, and bam, that's it. You'll be having an account and you can access this particular page. So right now what we need to do is, let me take you where you need to read some little details before going into the platform deeply. So click on the notification bell sign, which is above there. Then you can go ahead, take your time to read every single detail that you see here, that you can see here, because it is very important for you to know what you are going into. So take your time to go through this. We have a lot of information here. Take your time to go through it and do the needful. All right, so quickly let me show you how you can deposit on this platform. We go back. Just all you need to do is click on recharge over here. Then you copy your address from here. Okay, you copy your address. Then sorry, before we go any further, you need to also read what is going on here. Let me show you over here. Take your time to read the notes that is here, and you understand what is written there before you go in further. Okay, let me quickly brief you on that. They say this address support only Tron, so it's only TRS you can transfer through any crypto wallet. Please do not deposit in other that's to say you do not have to deposit anything apart from the TRX on here. So now the minimum to deposit is 5 TRS, 5 Tron. So let's go to the wallet and quickly make a deposit. Go to my Tron. I think I have Tron Link. I have some Tron on my Tron Link Pro over here. Okay, so click on it. I copied the address from that place, so I need to click on send over here. Send. Then I paste the address I copied. Paste it. Good. Then next. Okay, now I'm going to be putting about 10. Let me put about 10 TRX. Okay, 10, and send. Okay, then you confirm. I'll put my password. I have to put this, close this so you don't see. Well, okay, then confirm. Okay, let's just wait for this to leave our wallet, and done. All right, so that is that. I just sent that to my wallet. Now let's go back and we click on recharge. We click on recharge completed. That is what we should be clicking here right now. So we just have to click on recharge completed like this. Close this. Okay, done. Now recharge completed. All right, so quickly let's see if we've gotten our 10 Tron on our balance. Click on mine and let's see if we get. Okay, it's not yet showing on our balance, so let's give it few minutes for it to reflect on our balance. But now, before I go any further, I want you guys to understand something. This is not a financial advice. this video is strictly educational. So if you're going to be going into anything like this, depositing your money on this, make sure you do your thorough research before going into this. So guys, let's just wait few minutes or few seconds for our money to reflect. Then I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from this platform into your wallet. All right, now that we've gotten our Tron on our balance, which is over here, you can see over here our Tron is available on our balance. So the next thing you need to do before you can withdraw from this platform, you need to go to click on transfer, which is over here. Click on this very particular button, transfer, which is here. You can see transfer. So we click on transfer. After clicking on transfer, you need to transfer this Tron, which is on the balance here. You need to transfer it to your basic account. So what we'll do is to a number of converts. You just have to put in the Tron exactly. Then you have to put the amount you deposited on your balance over here. Then put in your security code. I told you you're going to put in a code when you signed up. You'll be asked to put in a security code, so you can try and remember that and put it. Then you confirm, send. No, oh sorry, you have to click yes. Excuse me. Okay, you have to click on it. Then now we confirm. Successful transfer. Down you can see I have it right here on my basic account. So now let's go back and make withdrawal into our wallet. So there we can see the percentage we are receiving in our wallet. Okay, now you can see we have to withdraw 0.25 tron into our wallet daily. You're going to be it depends on how much you put on this platform. So the higher your deposits, the higher your profit. So let me quickly withdraw this, make it 0.25. okay, then I have to copy my wallet address, which is over here. Where's my wallet? Go ahead. Then let me just copy this, go back, then I paste it over here. Put my security password. I told you. Okay, then I click on confirm. Withdrawal successful. Okay, that is gone. It's already gone, and we have to wait few seconds or few minutes to see it in my wallet. I think that is it. I just got it in my wallet. Let me see. All right, you can see over here 0.25 TRX payment received. You can see it here. So it's already in my wallet. Now what I want to show you also is how you can get your affiliate link and build your team. So you need to come over here and click on the mining. Click over here. Let me pull this up a bit. Click over here, invite. That's where you can get your link. You just click on it. Then all you need to do is come over here and click on copy link, which is right down here. I just copied mine. Then I'm going to go to WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, different social medias that you use. Share with your friends, share with people, and invite them, and you're going to be getting some commission from everybody's deposit, and that's the only way you can make extra cash on this platform. Do not depend on your deposit alone. So once you get commission, you're going to see it available on the commission balance here, and can be withdrawn anytime, any day on this platform. So that is how you can make extra cash using this platform. So if you like what I showed you, first of all, give this video a thumbs up and go down below, subscribe to this channel, and click on the notification bell sign. And don't forget, there's a link in the description if you want to join us on this platform. There's a link there. Go down, click on it, and you're going to get straight to this platform. You're going to see a page where you register and join up. So I said this earlier on, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before depositing any money. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Ciao.